In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an extension in Chrome from a file, step by step using the easiest method. This is perfect if you've downloaded an Unpacked extension, you're testing your own Chrome extension, or you simply want to load extension files manually without going through the Chrome Web Store. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access settings, tools, and extension options. From that menu, hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Extensions page, where you can view and manage everything installed in your browser. Now, on the Extensions page, look toward the top right corner and find the toggle switch labeled Developer Mode. If you want to install an extension from a file, Developer Mode must be turned on, because that's what unlocks the option to load unpacked extensions. Go ahead and switch Developer Mode on. As soon as you do that, you'll notice a new toolbar appear across the top of the page. This toolbar gives you access to advanced extension tools, including the Load Unpacked button. Next, look to the top left area of that new toolbar and click Load Unpacked. A File Explorer window will open on your screen. At this point, you need to browse to the folder that contains your extension files. Make sure you choose the extracted root folder, not just a random file inside it. The most important thing to check is that this folder contains the Manifest.json file, because that file tells Chrome how the extension works. Once you've found the correct folder, click it once to select it. Then press Select Folder. Chrome will now load the extension from that file location and install it into your browser. If everything is set up correctly, your extension should appear in the extensions list right away, and you can start using it or testing it immediately. If it doesn't load, double-check that you selected the correct folder and that the manifest file is in the root directory. And that's it. You've successfully added a Chrome extension from a file using Developer Mode and the Load Unpacked option. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Chrome tutorials.